Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of registering for a Citizens Bank account step by step. Follow the instructions below to get started on your banking journey. Step 1. Visit the Citizens Bank website. Go to the official Citizens Bank website at www.citizensbank.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to account options. Once on the home page, look for the Personal tab or the Open an Account button. This will direct you to the various account options available. Step 3. Choose the right account for you. Citizens Bank offers several types of accounts such as checking, savings, and money market accounts. Review the features and benefits of each one to determine which account best suits your financial needs. Step 4. Click Open Now. After selecting the account type, click the Open Now button. This will take you to the online application form. Step 5. Fill out the application form. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays in processing your application. Step 6. Provide contact information. Next, enter your contact details, including your email address and phone number. This will help the bank communicate with you regarding your account status. Step 7. Set up your online banking. You may be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. Step 8. Review and submit your application. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the information you have entered. Ensure everything is correct, then click the Submit button. Step 9. Confirmation. After submitting your application, you should receive a confirmation email regarding the status of your account. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize your registration. Step 10. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, you may need to fund it. Follow the instructions provided by Citizens Bank for the initial deposit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.